MetaMask can be very buggy, and Trust Wallet can be really daunting and frustrating to use. Now, it is on this note I welcome you to Daily Cryptocurrency Tidbits, and I'm going to introduce you to a wallet that I think is the best wallet out there right now that you should use for all your DeFi and Web3 journey. All right. So, what is this wallet? It's called Rabby Wallet. Now, Rabby Wallet is a sleek and very interesting wallet. I mean, I have been using this wallet for quite a while now, and I must tell you that it is one of the best wallets out there to use for Web3 journey and for DeFi in the crypto space. All right. So they have about 85 chains integrated into Rabby Wallet, and I'm going to be showing you how to install the Rabby Wallet extension on your browser for your desktop. All right. So in this video, I'm going to be using Opera browser. All right. So I'm going to be going to the Chrome Webstore. Just come over to your address bar and type Chrome Webstore, and when you get here, just search Rabby Wallet on the search bar, and then you'll be greeted with this page. All right. So I'll click add to Chrome, and it will be downloaded to my Chrome. I'll click on add extension, and I'll wait for this to download the Rabby Wallet browser extension to my browser, my Opera browser. And once that is done, I'll go on and install my first wallet. All right. So let's wait until this is downloaded. All right. So you can see that it says Rabby Wallet has been added to Opera. Now, it means my Rabby Wallet browser extension has been added to my browser. So I'll just come over here to the extension list, and you can see that I have the wallet Rabby Wallet extension icon on my extension tab. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and that should pop up the Rabby Wallet installation guide for me as a new user. And there you go. So this is the wallet extension installation guide. So you can see it says I should create a new address, or if I have an address already, I could actually import that address using this option here. But for the purpose of this video, all right, so I'm going to be trying to show you what can be done. All right, so if I have my wallet set up on MetaMask or Trust Wallet, I can actually move them over and import them over to Rabby Wallet. So I'll use this option that says I already have an address. When I click on this button here, I can actually import my wallet using this three method. First will be my seed phrase. So if I'm importing my wallet from MetaMask or Trust Wallet, I could use the import seed phrase option, which would have me provide the 12-word phrase for my wallet, and then I'll have to click on confirm and import my wallet over to Rabby Wallet. Or I could go with the option of private key. So I'll just go to my Trust Wallet or my MetaMask and get my private key from there, paste it in here, and click on confirm, and that will be it. Or I could also do that using my Ledger. If I have a Ledger Nano hardware wallet, I could just get on with creating a password and then getting the keys and all of that into this wallet. All right, so let's go back, and for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be creating a new address. All right, so I'll use this option that says create a new address. So you can see you have to understand that your new seed phrase is going to be very, very key to recovering your wallet. If you misplace or lost your seed phrase, your asset in your wallet is gone forever. All right, so do well to write the 12-word seed phrase I'm going to be seeing next on your screen very safely somewhere only you have access to. All right, so that is that. So I'll go ahead and click on show seed phrase, and then my 12-word seed phrase will be revealed to me. I'll have to copy them down, and then because I'll be required to enter them in a certain order on the next screen. All right, so that is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to go ahead and click on show seed phrase. All right, and then I'll copy down my seed phrase safely. I have my seed phrase written down somewhere very safe. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to create a password for this wallet and continue with the installation process. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So I'm creating a password right after my wallet. All right, so I'll go ahead and do that again, and then I'll have to confirm the password for this wallet. And once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and click on confirm, and that should be it. My wallet has been created successfully. So I can go ahead and rename this wallet. All right, I'll just rename it to Test Wallet for the purpose of testing. So yeah, so and that'll be it, and I'll click get started, and my wallet is already set up. All right, so if I go ahead here and click on Rabby Wallet, it will take me to a page to open the browser extension for this wallet. All right, so that is that. I'll have to X this, and you can see I have zero balance. There's nothing in this wallet, and this is my wallet address. All right, I can copy it and use it to receive any token. But first, let's assume I want to receive any token into this wallet. Let's say I want to send in some Sonic tokens into this wallet. I'll click on receive, and then I'll have to select or choose the blockchain token I want to receive. So if I'm receiving Sonic, I'll have to come here and search for Sonic. I'll click on Sonic and then copy my address to where I'm going to be receiving the tokens from. All right, so that is that. If I want to receive any other token, I just come here and search the token. Let's say I want to receive ETH. I'll come in here and type ETH. All right, you can see I'll click on ETH. If I want to receive any other token, I'll just select the token here, and that would be it. I'll copy my address and go over to send the tokens to the address I just copied. All right, so that is how to install the Rabby Wallet on your browser. So that is it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do want to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not done that yet, and keep on coming back for cryptocurrencies such as this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.